Hello, future Skyhawks. Thank you for joining us. My name is Miko Price, and I'm one of the counselors here at Deer Valley High School. What we're going to do today is answer the most frequently asked questions that we typically go over with families during Future Freshman Night. We're going to cover your freshman schedule and classes, your off-campus programs like WestMech, dual enrollment, and how to earn an associate's degree in high school, our new AP Capstone Diploma program, our gifted program, and how our counseling department is set up. So to jump right in, the first question is, what will my schedule look like? As a freshman, you can expect to have 6 classes plus 1 lunch period. You'll have an English class, a math class, biology will be your science. You'll have a semester of health and PE, and 2 electives. Now the order of these classes will be determined by what you register for. So the next logical question is, what electives do you offer at Deer Valley High School? We offer so many that we had to put them in teeny tiny font for them to fit on this one slide. If you have any questions about the content of these classes, feel free to click around in the Future Freshman website or reach out to any of the teachers to ask them about what they're teaching in those elective classes. What if you're interested in a program that's not offered at Deer Valley High School? Our district offers several programs where students can travel to another campus for that one class. So on the left is the programs that our students can travel to, and on the right is where other students from other campuses come to us to take hospitality or nurse assisting or sports medicine. The other travel program is something called WestMech. WestMech is a joint technical education district that we belong to. Basically, we offer the academics on our campus, and then students travel to WestMech building their junior and or senior year to learn one of these skills. They get industry credentials and they can start working in that career pathway immediately upon finishing the program. If you have questions about any of these WestMech or travel programs, please reach out to one of us. The big topic we cover most frequently is about dual enrollment, as we offer the most dual enrollment classes within the district. So dual enrollment means you're enrolled in 2 places at the same time. So in this case, you're enrolled at Deer Valley High School and Rio Salado Community College. The reasons that students take dual enrollment classes, one main reason is it's about 1/3 of the cost of university tuition. And then another main reason is for a degree potential or a certification potential. So you can take 1 or 2 classes for dual enrollment, or you can take so many that you can earn your AGEC, which stands for Arizona General Education Curriculum, and it's basically your college gen eds, about a year of college. Or you can take so many that you can earn your associate's degree of art or your associate degree of science. So the next question we get then would, how would that look in my schedule? So here's a sample 4-year schedule of a student who's earning their associate's degree. It's on our campus with our teachers. You're just paying for that college credit. So in this scenario, a student starts with 1 dual class as a sophomore and then takes several more as a junior and senior. They would take 1 summer course at the college online, and they would graduate high school with 61 college credits completed. Like I said, there's many, many options for this. You don't have to go all the way through your associate's degree, but you certainly could. Are there new programs coming online next year? We are really happy to offer AP Capstone Diploma programs starting next year. It's for high achieving students who would like to take some rigorous courses. So in this program, students take 2 classes, AP Seminar and AP Research, and then they take 4 other AP classes or more during their high school career. And if they pass all of those exams, they would earn their AP Capstone Diploma. So this is a sample schedule of what it could look like for a student who wants to get their AP Capstone Diploma. The only 2 required courses are AP Seminar and AP Research, and then a smattering of 4 or more other AP passing scores. What does our gifted program look like? Our gifted program is centered around a handful of classes: AP Human Geography, Honors Biology, ELA 3-4 Honors for sophomores, and our AP Capstone program. I also work with students as a designated gifted counselor with whatever their needs are to help them get to their next step, whatever they need, whether it be college support or help dealing with anxiety, for example. And then we also have a gifted staff that works with students while they're in high school and all through beyond graduation. So what makes Deer Valley High School's counseling department different? We're really happy to be organized in such a way that we can specialize and get to know our roles inside and out. We have 3 academic counselors, Ms. Lewis, Mr. Crespo, and Ms. Derry. And then I'm one of the specialty counselors. I work with students on college and university support, college applications, scholarships, and I work with our gifted kids. And we're really happy to offer a wellness counselor on our campus as well, Ms. Stephanie Dreyer. And she is with us as a therapist on campus through a partnership through Southwest Behavioral Health. So a question that I frequently cover with families is, I'm worried about college. How do I get in? How do I get help? And one of the nice things about how we're set up is that I can help students with this. I work with the top juniors and seniors, but I can help any student with college applications and scholarships. I'm helping students with financial aid right now. And then we also have Deer Valley Scholars. This is a program that's open to all students, sophomore, junior, and senior year. And we really strive to help students be prepared for college through leadership, scholarship, and service through a number of skill building that we work on over the years. And so we encourage you to check out our Scholars Program. And even though we finished the year in a pandemic, our class of 2020 earned over $9 million in scholarships. So we're really proud of them and wanted to celebrate them. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to any one of us. We'd be happy to help and answer any questions for you. We hope you have a great night, and thank you for watching.